Well, welcome to 2023. This is a quick video. There's some breaking news this week that we wanted to address. And 2023, I don't have to tell you, it's not to be a surprise to anyone that parental rights and the family are under attack across the country, and that includes in Texas. So one of the things that's going on right now is a case in front of the Texas Supreme Court that they just ruled on. I want to address that. But first I want to tell you, almost 40 years ago, a group of political activists formed this group called the Texas Homeschool Coalition. Just a small group of political activists. We wanted to defend parents who were choosing to teach their kids at home. And almost 40 years later, that right has been won. We continue to battle for that. And last year, the Texas Homeschool Coalition rolled out a new division called the Family Freedom Project. And the reason we did that is because over the last few years, the majority of our work is no longer defending homeschooling. It's about defending the fundamental God-given right of parents to raise their kids. And so today what we see is families and children are under attack. We see schools that are wanting to sexualize children with curriculum and inappropriate books. We see critical race theory in public schools. Parents are fighting to defend their children from this sexualization. So in this next legislative session, this next year, we're going to be defending the fundamental right of parents in the courts. We are currently defending a family in the Calinet case in front of the Texas Supreme Court to defend parents in court against non-parents. We're also focusing on a parental rights amendment to the Texas Constitution and empowering parents in some of these issues with sexualizing children in schools and transitioning students or children in these horrible medical situations. So in a similar situation, we've been focusing on a new law that just has gone into effect in California called SB 107. We actually brought this to the attention of the Texas Attorney General. It's a horrible law that seeks to usurp the authority of parents and other states by allowing any student, any child to be brought into California and to be medically transitioned without their parents or the other state's authority. So what has happened recently is a father has brought a case regarding that to the Texas Supreme Court just recently. But in this case, the Texas Supreme Court ruled against the father because while acknowledging that Senate Bill 107 was a bad law, they pointed out that that statute says that regarding another state's law, but it doesn't address another state's court actions. And in this case, the court has the court has adopted a ruling that the mother and the father have both agreed to that prevent these children from being transitioned without both parents' approval. That protects the father if this goes to California, because that mother has told the district court and the Texas Supreme Court that she understands and is abiding by that ruling. If she refuses to do that, then it opens the door for the court, the Texas Supreme Court, to get back into that area. All of this acknowledges that these issues are real issues and we're going to be fighting them. I hope you'll click on the links below. We've linked to a number of these court rulings so that you can get more information. But the reality is families and parental rights are under attack all over the country and including Texas. And we will be fighting that battle. The Family Freedom Project will be fighting that battle in legislation, in our lobbying efforts, in litigation, in the courts, and in the public relations area, pushing for an understanding of these issues. So I hope you'll share this video with others. I hope you'll click on the links below for more information, and I hope you will continue to help us keep Texas families free.